TD Bank versus Chase Bank, which platform is better? Today we are going to talk about TD Bank versus Chase Bank and which one is better. So in order to do that, we have this table to demonstrate the difference. So the first thing that we will talk about the saving account. TD Bank have, simple TD signature saving. But if you talk about Chase have, Chase saving and Chase premium savings. Now, if you talk about checking account, TD has simple TD convenience and more. If you talk about Chase has total checking, Chase secure banking, and Chase Premier Plus checking and more. If you talk about interest rate, it varied up to 4%. While if you talk about the Chase, it is low up to 0.028 per year. Now, if we talk about fees, it varies. Some are waivable, and the same for the Chaser law. If we talk about non-bank ATMs, the TD Bank costs $3 per transaction. While if we talk about Chase, it is also $3 per transaction, but the TD Bank has waivable for signature savings. If we talk about overdraft fee, the TD Bank have $35, some waivable, while if you talk about the Chase, it has $34. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.